Very good morning, children. See, today I am doing the map marking. I will be teaching you step by step how to mark the northern plains. Here we have two map markings in this lesson, children. The first one is we will mark the northern plains along with the three river basins, that is the Ganga basin, Brahmaputra basin and the Satluj basin. And in the next map marking, I will be teaching you the course of river Ganga and Brahmaputra. Well, children, we will begin with the northern plains first. First thing, the most important thing what you people should do, first we have to mark the directions before starting the map. So just you know how to do it. Make it lines, put an arrow, done. This is north, south, east and west. Please remember, children, this is very important. First you have to start with this. Next, what we will do, to your right hand side bottom, we will write legend, key or a legend. Now in this, you know very well, the legend is something which shows what we are marking here. It tells us about the different colors or the symbols what we are using here. Okay, so first here now we will be showing the first we will be showing the northern plains and then we will be showing the river basins. So what you do, you make a small square boxes. I will tell you what to do in this. You write here Ganga basin, Satluj basin, Brahmaputra basin. Fine, you did it. Now the first thing, since we know the northern plains, it starts from here and there, what we will do, children, first we will color the northern plains in green. You take the light green color. Yes, I got it. We take the light green and we start coloring the northern plains, right? We'll start from the state of Punjab. Children, do it very light. You should not scribble or you just could not overcolor it. You just touch there, that's all. Then we come to Haryana. Here, children, this is the Union National Capital, Union Territory of Delhi. Then we come to Uttar Pradesh. Of Uttar Pradesh, children. Bihar, I hope you all are doing along with me. Then the state of West Bengal. Assam, Assam, and the state of Tripura. So children, you see we have marked, we have colored the northern plains. Now for this you people can give the outline like this just to make it bright. But that is not compulsion. You can just give it off like that, just an outline. State of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Assam, Tripura, and this is West Bengal, right? We did it. So this is what the northern plains we have marked. Now in this you have the Ganga basin, you have the Satluj basin and the Brahmaputra basin. So we need to show here which is the Satluj basin, Brahmaputra basin. And children, before that I forgot to tell you, just write here Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea. Fine. So what we will do, in order to show that, we will be doing the outline with the different colors to differentiate between the Ganga basin, Satluj basin and the Brahmaputra basin. Now we have the Ganga basin first here, children. You can take any color, let us take pink, right? So I'll just, in the legend, I'll first color it here in pink. And I'll be showing the outline here with this pink color. You see, we have under the Ganga basin, we have the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal, right? So you see how I am doing. This is the state of Bihar. And here finally, children, it's West Bengal, right? Do you see I did it with pink? So what you people can do, immediately take a pencil and you people can show somewhere here like this and put it up like this. You can write here Ganga Basin. The three states. You understand? Then we come to the Satluj basin. Which color we will take? We shall take red, right? In the legend you just do like this and the outline you started doing like this. Satluj basin. And finally what is remaining? Brahmaputra basin. Why? So I take this yellow color. Remember, you can use any color, children, except blue. We don't use the blue or the black color when in the map, when we are coloring the map, remember. Except that you can use your own colors also. You need not use what I am telling. And you people can do the outline here with the Brahmaputra basin with this yellow color and the state of Tripura, right? Yes. Immediately take the pencil and you people can show here. Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra basin. Exactly. Now you see the map. Have you seen? We have done everything. We have made legend. We have shown the full northern plains, the states of the states which lie in the northern plains, and we have also differentiated. We have also shown the three river basins. That is the Ganga basin, Brahmaputra basin, and the Satluj basin. In this map, we are going to mark the course of river Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Satluj. Let us mark the directions first. North, south, east, and west, right? Now we will make legend for this. Before that, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, right? We will be making the legend Ganga, Satluj, Brahmaputra, and Sundarbans. I'll be showing you the Sundarbans delta also. Fine. As usual, this will go with the blue. Brahmaputra, Satluj. Course of river Ganga, and this is Sundarbans. Fine. This we will show in light green in color. Now let us go to the map marking. First we will mark the course of river Ganga. Children, the river Ganga starts from the glaciers of Gangotri from Uttarakhand. From there, it enters the plains, it goes to the states of Uttar Pradesh and then to the state of Bihar. And here it branches into two parts. The one part it flows through Kolkata, it's called river Hooghly here. And the other one it flows through the Bangladesh, and here it's called river Padma, and here it joins Brahmaputra. You understand? This is the course of river Ganga. From Uttarakhand, it goes to the plains of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, to the West Bengal, Kolkata, Hooghly, here river Padma. This is the course of river Ganga. Now we come to Brahmaputra, right? Brahmaputra starts somewhere near the Lake Mansarovar in Tibet. It originates there and it's called Sangpo River in Tibet. From there, it enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. I'm very sorry. Through Arunachal Pradesh to the plains of Assam. It flows down Tripura, and finally it joins the river Ganga here. Do you see? And this part, it's called Sundarbans. Do you see here? Sundarbans Delta. And finally, we come to the Satluj. Satluj River, it starts somewhere here near it is a tributary, remember, it is a part of the river Indus. It flows down to the Punjab and to the Himachal Pradesh somewhere here. From here again it branches. It flows to the states of here. This is river Satluj. Now we will name them. Satluj
river Ganga, river Brahmaputra. Here it's river Hooghly, and here it's river Padma. These are Sundarbans Delta. Or you can mark here also river Brahmaputra. So children, this is the course of all the three main rivers, three river basins of the northern plains. Hope it's clear to you all.